YSRCP is all set to support NDA. These are the latest inputs that we are getting at this point of time. Well, according to the numbers that we are tracking, NDA is confident of getting 307 votes. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking from the NDA sources camp, where NDA sources suggest that Harsimrat Chandrasekhar Azad will support NDA candidate. 3 MPs from Aam Aadmi Party are also likely to extend their support. These are the latest inputs we are tracking at this point of time. Now cutting back across to Payal. Payal, help us understand the count and the number game of 307 votes.
Well, the BJP has not only got the numbers in place, the NDA not only has numbers in place, but they have very, very effective flow managers also in place. There's, of course, in the ranks Bhupendra Yadav, Senior Minister and the government senior leader, Dharmendra Pradhan, Piyush Goyal, CM Ramesh. All of these leaders are in the same house. So they are actually doing the number crunching. The BJP is extremely confident that they will cross the 305 or 6 number mark, given the fact that they do understand that there are several people within the opposition ranks also who do not agree with the fact that Om Birla needs to be voted out. Incidentally, YSRCP, which is of course the opposition party right now to TDP and the BJP NDA government, has in fact announced that their 4 MPs will also be supporting the NDA candidature. So essentially, since the candidature of the speaker is more of a custodian of the parliament and more of a person who's beyond party politics, that's the reason many people obviously feel that they should support NDA candidate of Om Birla. So we'll have to just see how it pans out on ground. But the BJP has been working the phone lines. They've been working themselves, the flow managers have been working the entire night. In fact, day before yesterday also they had a number of meetings with a lot of people. So they're very, very confident that not only will they get the 293 votes that they really have, in YSRCP is getting 4 votes, they're 297, they'll be able to easily cross the 307 mark. That's what the confidence really is showing. So it's going to be see a number versus number battle, but like Pallavi was mentioning, it's of course a battle of perception that the Congress party is fighting. But the BJP and the NDA will also want to show that yes, we do not have absolute majority like we had in 2014 and 19, but we are still the captain of the ship. Our ship is not going to rock, and that's essentially the message that the BJP top brass will want to send to the opposition, especially through their effective flow managers and also through their allies.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. Well, NDA is pretty much confident of getting 307 votes, especially getting support from YSRCP and AAP candidates. But with all that news and updates, we're slipping into a very short break. I'll request all my lady reporters to stay with us on the broadcast. We'll be right back with more.